Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I would like to unbox another beautiful looking flower wall from Rose Morning. I will link this specific wall. The name of this wall is Sue in the description under this video. Check it out. Also, if you would like to purchase anything from Rose Morning, you can always use my code Anna for 10% off at checkout. Without any further ado, let's go. Like usual, every single box, every single panel comes with a baggie with extra flowers, just in case if you'll have a bald spot or you lose some of the flowers, so you can replace them with extra flowers in this baggie. First panel is always the most exciting one because you never know how a huge amount of these flowers will look like together. So let's open this up. Oh my word. You guys, oh, this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this gorgeous thing. I mean, what is happening? This probably is one of the most favorite panels that I've ever opened from Rose Morning as of yet. Like right away from the bat, I see how beautiful this is. So I had to stop and talk about the wall because I was so wrong about this wall. I saw a picture on Rose Morning's website and I thought this is a cute wall. It's pink, it's peach, it's gonna look cute, you know, like nothing to it. It's another beautiful wall. Let me tell you, I was so wrong. As soon as I opened my first panel of this wall, I fell in love. I fell in love with the varieties of flowers that they used. They used roses, peonies, hydrangeas, and everything is mixing in so well. It looks so good together. All the colors, all the types of flowers. I mean, it's perfect. It looks much prettier in real life than on a picture. Also, I thought when I was unpacking this wall from that tight packaging that they packaged in boxes, I thought that the wall will be very squished, flowers will be very wrinkly. I was kind of wrong, you guys. This wall bounced back so well. Yes, there are flowers that I have to like work with and mold them a little bit better and help them go back to its original shape, but it's not bad at all. I am so pleasantly surprised. I am in love with this wall. I cannot wait to hang it up because it's gonna be just stunning. And you know, I tell you the truth because if you've been following me for a while, you know that if I like something, I'll let you know. If I don't like something, you will hear that too. So let's hang this gorgeous, stunning wall and see how it's gonna look upright. To hang flower walls, you really need to use heavy-duty frames because frames with thinner pipes will not hold the weight of this whole wall. So I am using my silver stand. I will link it in the description under the video. Each panel on top of it has this little pocket and I will feed this horizontal pipe through these pockets, and this is how the whole wall will hang on a frame. The hardest part. I need to hang this whole thing by myself. Keep in mind that the wall is very heavy, so if you have two people, that's perfect. Me, I have my ladders and I will try to hang it. So The wall is up. Now we need to connect two panels together by zipping them with the zipper to create one beautiful seamless flower wall. So let's do that. And to hide the pipes and secure my panels even more, I simply used these ribbons that each panel has, and I tied them around my pipes. And this is my unboxing and install of this beautiful Sue wall from Rose Morning. Thank you so much for sending me this beautiful wall. I am in love. This wall took my breath away. It is absolutely stunning. Beautiful flower combo, beautiful color combo. I mean, everything works so beautifully and so nicely together. I didn't spend any time fluffing any of the flowers up. This is a wall that came straight from the packaging and it's almost perfect. Yes, you can spend some time fluffing some of the flowers up, but I don't see a huge need in doing that because, I mean, it's gorgeous. I love how flowers are on different levels and it gives you that beautiful 3D, 4D, I don't know, look to it. It looks much more fluffier having flowers on different levels. Absolutely love it. Again, I will link this wall in the description under the video. Check it out. Also, don't forget about the code ANNA for 10% off at checkout. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos. And I hope all of you will have a wonderful day and I will see you back very soon. Bye.